this game is kind of the ultimate tic-tac-toe. What I mean by that is that you will put O's on X's on the board, and depending on how you place them, you need to, if there's an O, an X, an O, you win a point. You cross it and you win. Let's just play and we'll show you how to do that. So, every time you want to play, you'll have to flip a coin. So you flip. This is just a regular coin I found in a game. You can use a dollar, you can use a euro, you can use anything you want. Put an O here and an X here, okay? Simple, we all have coins in our wallet. So we'll just flip the coin, put it on our hand, and ooh, it's an O. So every time you say, it's an O.
It's an O.
And if it's an X, you say, it's an X.
It's an X.
Excellent. Okay, who wants to start?
You.
Okay, you say, I want to start.
I want to start.
Okay, number one, flip the coin.
Oh, it's an X.
It's an X. Excellent. Okay, now, Clémence wants to place the X, but where do you want to place the X? She'll have to make a sentence. Example, she wants to place it here. Monkeys have long tails. Yes, the sentence is good. You can place it. So choose a place and...
Monkeys live in the jungle.
Monkeys live in the jungle. Excellent. Here, take the blue marker. Put an X. Okay, it's Léonie's turn. Pass the coin. Flip the coin.
It's an O.
Okay, it's an O. Make a sentence.
Monkeys have long tails.
Ooh, monkeys have long tails. Okay. O, X. If Clémence gets an O and she places it here, she wins 1 point. Flip the coin. Ooh, don't drop the coin.
It's an X.
Aye, it's an X. So, it's an O. Where will she place it? Where?
No. How do you say corn?
Horns. Horns.
Horns.
Yes.
Cows have horns.
Ooh, okay, interesting. She's trying to get an OXO this way. Go for it, Léonie. Go for it. Thank you.
It's an O.
Oh! Now, you have two choices to get 1 point.
Pigs have big nose.
Ah, big noses. Yes, pigs have big noses. Excellent. Let's continue. Wait, you forgot one thing.
Yes.
Cross the OXO.
And
1 point for you.
For me.
Yes. Go.
It's an X.
Aye, not lucky. Wait. Maybe, what can you do?
Pigs live in the farm.
Okay. Excellent. Okay, one more time, Léonie. Will it be an O? Will it be an X?
It's an O.
Oh, she's really lucky. Sorry, Clémence.
Pigs sounds like.
Nice, yes.
And 1 point for me.
Yep, exactly. Now, we can continue until everything is done. One thing, you can reuse letters as much as you want. Example, if you put an X here and then another O, we can reuse this O, okay? We can reuse this X because there's another OXO, okay? So there'll be 2 points in one sitting, you know? So really, this is a really intricate game, and in the sentences you can really go far, I think, with this game. So have fun, tell us what you think in the comments, and enjoy your class. Bye!